Greetings, Astro Gang. I want to bring to you a mindful moment, stretch. So what you want to do is breathe through the nose and out the mouth slowly, breathing away all of your thoughts, your deadlines, your worries, your troubles, any nagging thought in the body or the mind. Breathe it out. Bring it through your torso and push it away from your head. Inhale, focus. Exhale, excess thoughts. I want you to get in the state of nothing, just feeling. Once you are comfortable, I would like for you to transition into a chest forward up movement and bringing your shoulders back and forth in a nice and slow rhythmic pattern the entire way through. Closing your eyes, relaxing your wrists, your ankles, your toes. Switching that neck from left to right. Turning, make sure you're keeping the spine aligned the entire way through. Not tightening up your glutes or your abs, just breathing and letting everything relax. I don't want anything activated, right? Go into a deep sense of appreciation while you are rubbing your scalp all over. Touch every piece of your scalp, right? Which promotes hair growth, mental stimulation, relaxation. Let your lips go. Do not hold your face. Let your cheeks jiggle. Let everything flow. Truly embrace the crown of your head with your own fingertips until you see necessary. Move the neck. Remember to continue breathing inside the nose, outside of the mouth. Really get into it. Do not worry about who's around you. Silence your phone and just really let this routine take you there. Then I want you to interlock your hands, right? All 5 senses touching each other. Breathe out and breathe in. Breathe out and breathe in. Nice, strong torso, chest up, and just really let go. Go into that rhythm until you feel necessary. Continue to keep your mind free of clutter, your soul free of worry, and your body free of tension. Now I want you to finish it all with the forward and back motion. Make sure you really take your time, chest forward, and push those hips back with your butt in the air. Push through the wrists, and then back through the butt and heels, right? Back and forth. Catch a nice, great rhythm. Keep up with your breath, and remember to keep your mind worry-free. Please spend as much time as possible in all of these movements that you've just seen in this video. There is no rush. There is no time, just purpose.